somebody show
soil from the moon before returning the materials. Yeah, I heard. Yeah, Atlas. I think it was Atlas. Was it? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So you can get gas from the Air Force, guys, not from the air. So while we're flying, if we want to fly a straight shot to the other side of the country, each boom, and then after that, it's pretty quiet and you're cruising.
Wow, that is so cool. The Area 51 question, man. Have you seen? Have you seen a UFO? Have you seen a UFO?
I haven't seen UFOs, but we carry a couple bombs in terms of guided, unguided bombs, as well as laser guided bombs as well. So large, so maybe like 100, 200 jets on the west coast, maybe 100 jets, 200 jets on the east coast as well.